Hello, welcome to the Paper Snob. This is Tara. Today I am working on 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, Series 20, Day 4. This day's sketch was created by my friend Shannon Keith. Her YouTube account is Creative Chaos in Tennessee. She also has a Facebook community group as well, where she hosts challenges, and it's a really fun and busy group. I will have that all linked down below for you. I am using my How to Kill a Kit with Style and Counterfeit Kit Challenge blog kit for March to complete this layout. So that's what I've got sitting here on my desk. The only things I added in to this stash of paper were these chipboard frames, which were not in my kit. And the frames are just something that I really need to use. There's my photos. My daughter, Courtney, is a hairstylist, and this was graduation day from her salon. They didn't have a high school type graduation or anything. It was just like a little party. We all showed up and took pictures of her decorated workstation where she did her learning through the time at the school. Picture of her with a couple of her friends and the cake that somebody bought. And I have a couple labels and a little title piece for my kit, and then a bunch of solid papers because I don't have enough embellishments in this kit for this type of layout. But this is going to be my background, and I'm kind of doing it to mimic this beautiful watery color look on Shannon's sketch. So I'm going to pause, I'm going to get started, and I will be right back. All right, first things first, let's get this branding strip off here. I do save 49 to Market branding strips. They're one of a few that I do save. Like I said, this background reminded me of the background on the sketch. You may notice that I have cut apart that Simple Stories frame. It had a spot for 2 photos, and I didn't have 2 photos that size, but I wanted to use that frame because I want to use that word documented as part of my layout and title. So I am not matting these photos. I do not mind that you're going to be able to see the background behind them. I think that's kind of cool, and I'm going to just go with it. So I am just going to glue it down here in a second. The other frame was actually a double-sided frame with a piece of clear acetate behind it that said something like "Make Great Memories." Anyway, it's a Heidi Swap frame. I just took it apart and took the acetate out so that I could use the 2 frames, and that of course gets it out of my stash, which is awesome. And I also took those solids from the print shop paper pad, and I used a set of dies, stars. They have stitched edges, and I created some stars. The larger ones are all open, as you can see, and I did cut out more than I'm actually going to use, but that's okay. As I had already said, I don't have a whole lot of embellishments in this kit this month, at least not embellishments that are easily used for any type of layout. I have some specific embellishments in there, but those pieces of patterned paper from the paper pad that are kind of solids are more for creating those embellishments. So this is it, it's done. All right, I got this layout completely finished. This went together really quick. While I was gluing things down, I did add some splatters in trying to match the colors in that mixed media that was already printed on the background. Really makes me happy to do that, and I even opened a couple of my sprays that I had not opened yet. That's pretty cool. Got the journaling on here, and I also added some tabs from one of the sticker sheets while I was gluing things down. I thought that that would help with using some of those wordy bits in this kit that I have created for the month of March. I want to thank you for coming to my channel today. Please make sure that you check out that description box below for the links to the playlist for 30 Days of Sketches. Make sure that you check out the link for How to Kill a Kit with Style playlist, and also check out the links for Shannon's social media and her Facebook community group. It's a definite worth your time to go check her group out. It's an amazing group. She does lots of fun stuff over there, and you will love it and get so much inspiration. I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.